Maybe. That just might be. What's up, boy?
What's up? Bro, this is the first time seeing it in a while.
I know, it's been so long. This is the first time I've really taken it out.
Really?
Alright, we just pulled up at Target. We're about to make our way down to Cars and Coffee. Luciano's with us, Jiho's with us, and we're supposed to be meeting up with some dude with like an R32 or R33 and a Supra. Who knows, we'll see. We'll probably just end up meeting him there because I'm ready to go. Alright, we're here at Cars and Coffee and we're about to head out because we're going to install some coilovers on the RX7, and we're looking forward to that more than we are this because we come to this like all the time, so. Today we are going to be replacing the coilovers. It is, but he's not keeping it. Damn, we could go camping out under there. What do we have to do?
Just a bullet bowl, brake line bowl, and a truck mount bowl. Can you?
Are you feeling sick? You need medicine?
It's starting to get dark out there.
Alright, so Jiho just finished putting in most of these with a little bit of assistance. It took us it took him about half the time to do both the rears. Yeah, I know. He's very upset.
This is very frustrating. I said it was going to be easy. It wasn't.
I told him he jinxed it when he said it was going to be easy. Anyway, he did the rears, and about half the time it took us to do one of the fronts. So we've really just been struggling to get these front ones done. But we're about to throw the wheels back on and drop it down, and we'll see how it looks.
Whatever. Strong man, big man strong.
You guys are ridiculous.
What is it again?
You can't be trusted behind the camera.
Hey, I think I did a pretty good job of vlogging for the first time.
I actually have someone to record me this time. I don't know if he'll get rehired. Camping in that camp. The moment of truth.
The jack barely fits now.
It does barely fit.
Oh my god.
Welcome to that low light.
Cambered it a little bit. It is definitely cambered.
It looks hot. Yes, sir.
Definitely a lot. Oh, the rears are so.
I just know getting in and out of this car just became that much more difficult. I think you should lower the back a little bit more.
Yeah. I think so too. Yeah, I'm gonna let go first.
Oh yeah, that's right. The front looks nice.
Turn the wheel. Because like I feel like with the wheelchair sideways you want to it's gonna look.
Worst wheel fitment I've ever seen on an RX-7. This is bullshit. He needs to buy like 2-inch thicker wheels. Some TEs will look nice. Rubber dub dub, baby! It's rubbing.
Check the other.
This car is going to be so difficult to get in and out of now. I already struggle. I feel like an old man.
Oh, you didn't put the brakes on.
I know, I told you when you dropped it I was going to.
Now you're like me.
Like you have a little selfie camera, like it's
Oh,
just,
shit. Oh my
you
God.
don't even gotta open it up. That's actually pretty sick. I'll never get one, but
It feels like so solid.
yeah, it's so stupid.
So like fold in half.
Oh yeah, I wonder.
My favorite part is this. Like it just looks so cool when it's scrolling up.
Oh what?
Like it's just like what?
It's great.
What's it about?
What's it called?
Actually no, I can just.
No, how about you? I think your front door's unlocked.
Should I watch it in the sink?
It's spin up
Just a little bit.
a little bit.
It's got the wrong.
Oh shit, yeah, right. For stock wheels. I think it'll look a lot better. Hey man, that's stock wheels. Can't complain.
I don't know why you're talking to me. Stock wheels, baby. Nothing wrong with some nice fitment on some stock wheels. Alright, so I'm editing this video right now and realize it's just gonna be way too long, so I'm gonna split it into two. Part 1. What did we do first? Part 1, cars and coffee and dropping the RX-7. Part 2 will be going and taking some pictures because we did that for like most of the day. So that can just be its whole own video. So sweet, look out for the next video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date. Next one's gonna be a good one. Later.